Begin by securing the stretch wrap to the pallet. Choose a free space along the side or the corner of the pallet where you can easily slip the stretch wrap through. Once the stretch wrap is secure, begin to wrap the boxes. Be sure that there is always some tension in the stretch so that everything is kept tight. If possible, on the first pass, affix some stretch wrap to the pallet as shown without completely covering the fork openings. Continue to wrap the contents of the pallet, working your way from bottom to top. Try to get stretch wrap over the top of the contents as best as you can. Pallets shouldn't exceed 8 feet in height. This may require something to stand on, such as a stool or a ladder. Once a pallet is wrapped, it's important to use the strapping kit to lock the contents into place. This will prevent anything from shifting during transportation. Because the straps need to go around the bottom interior section of the pallet, it may be helpful to find something such as a broomstick or a piece of wood as shown to slide the straps through. Be sure to slide the straps in the same direction that the forks will enter the pallet. This will ensure that the forks will not get caught on the straps when the pallets are being loaded. Once you are through to the other side, bring the strap over the top of the loaded pallet, working your way back to the initial starting point. Release the strap from the plank or broomstick that you were using for assistance. While holding the buckle in one hand and the top strap in the other, create a loop with the top strap. Then pass that loop through the center of the buckle and around the open leg. Pull the top tight around the leg. Repeat the process for the bottom strap. Once both loops are fixed, pull the ends of the strap as tightly as possible. Be sure to use gloves and the tensioner tool if supplied. Please note that we have only placed a strap to one of the fork entry points. You must repeat this process in the other fork entry point. Final step, we will have to put a strap in the opposite direction of the first two. This requires fixing the strap to the pallet without going underneath it. Find an opening between the two planks as close to the center of the pallet as possible and slip the strap around and up as pictured in the video. Be sure to pull the excess slack over the top of the contents. Grab the excess slack from the opposite side of the pallet. Pull it down and repeat the process from the other side. At this point, you will need to pull enough of the strap through so that you can reach up and around the packages to the original starting point. Continue to pull as much of the strap as needed so that you can reach the floor. Cut the strap coming off of the spool, but remember to leave yourself some extra to secure it with a buckle. Repeat the buckle process that you learned earlier in the video. Make sure to give one final check that all the straps are tight, but also not damaging any of the contents. Your pallets are now ready to be sent away.